Baldwin High School, as it says here in 1982, 40 years ago. But who else graduated from here and went to school and grew up in Baldwin and calls Baldwin her hometown? Jasmin Moghbeli. And she is the astronaut who lifted off this morning after a one-day delay because of paperwork. She launched early this morning from Cape Canaveral and is now docked with the ISS and will be orbiting. So I thought it quite nostalgic being in Baldwin to go and see. Right behind me is the Commons, and in the Commons there's a picture of Earth and orbiting satellites because it was built in 1957, and Sputnik went up then, and so the space age was ushered in, and it has philosophy and such like that. But that's where we had to meet and convene every morning before school started in those Commons. And right behind me, as you can see, this is kind of an old-fashioned school with all these different sections. Kind of look like a campus. But you can see it right here in that blue space between the trees lower, just to the left of my head, is the gibbous moon. So Jasmin's up there orbiting now in the ISS, orbiting many times around the Earth, and she is slated to go to the moon with the Artemis mission in so many years when they're ready.
Who in the world doesn't stare up at the moon and just wonder? It's a deep question. Who am I? Well, I'm a wife now, I'm a Marine, and I'm an astronaut.